Today is Monday, August 3rd, 198. Empty. Pretty empty. That's solid. That's up 4 pounds since we started. Yo, that is up 4 pounds since we started the entire Vegan Athlete series. I'm fired up. That's 4 pounds. And I got little to no fat on me. So we are rocking and rolling, baby. Moving in the right direction. I'm feeling pretty good. By the end of this second phase here, I want to be up another 2-3 pounds, so definitely over the 200 mark. But I'm not too concerned about the weight. I'm concerned about my progress. Am I getting stronger? Am I getting faster? Can I run faster? Can I jump higher? I'm becoming an athlete. Are my abs more engaged? Am I balance good? Can I turn direction really fast? When I run the ladders, am I consistent? You know what I'm saying? So athlete, when you look at athletes that play football, basketball, does Roy move like an athlete is my goal. So today we're going to take kind of like a day off intermission and get started back with phase 2 in a couple of days here, just so I can go over. I'm going to show you guys my foam rolling, my warm up, like I promised, everything in depth, so you can learn what to do before, so you always have an effective workout, so that you always sweat before your workout. Because I know me, if I don't sweat before I work out or while I'm working out, I don't feel like I'm doing anything most of the time. Sometimes it's okay, but most of the time, I gotta have some perspiration. I gotta perspire. I gotta have some sweat coming down so that I can feel like I'm working. And so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you that, show you my food, if there be any. And it's gonna be a pretty chill day. Got a lot of work to do. And then tomorrow we should be back up and running and lock the load in phase 2. So let's get it. All right, so this morning I have my shake with me. I got my shake, and then I also am gonna meal prep this morning. I usually do it on Sundays, but Sundays have been getting a lot busier the last couple of weeks. So I'm gonna do it Monday morning, which is today, and I'll show you what we got. So protein shake, hold me over while we meal prep, and then I'm eating a salad, because I'm hungry. I am hungry. All right, so here's the update. We got the green beans in here. I got some corn that I'm about to cook, fresh corn on the cob. And then I got the quinoa going over here. And that is literally all I have to cook for my vegan meal prep. That red quinoa is gonna yield cups and cups of quinoa once it's finished. And I only put about 2.5 cups in there. It's gonna make over 4 easily. These green beans will last a week. I might cook up the rest of the corn over there. But everything else, walnuts, raisins, kale, arugula, onions, are not necessary to be cooked. This is the fastest prep. 15 minutes on the quinoa, 5 minutes on the green beans, and about 8 minutes on the corn. And we're done. I'm gonna finish this food, make a salad, and then start making content and getting ready for the day at 11:40. Okay. All right, what's good? Got my food here. Nice little salad action. And this one we got the arugula at the bottom, some quinoa on top, some corn, and then onions, raisins, walnuts, green beans, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, avocado oil, and a little dressing, and some red wine vinegar. Gonna eat this, make some content for you guys, and then we're going to the gym to show you that warm up. The warm up is crucial, okay? Okay. As promised, we're going over my warm-up routine that I do every single workout, no matter what, since I've started the Vegan Athlete series, which we're now on day 29, and it's crucial, okay? So let's hop right into it. I start out with foam rolling my body parts, and you'll just get a couple body parts today, and I'll go over it more in depth later on. But you roll just to find a tender spot. Once you find that tender spot, then you want to hold, because what we're trying to do is release the pressure. The muscle is tighter because of working out, because of stress, because of whatever we've been doing. We need to hold it on the muscle to allow our bodies to slowly relax and just get out of that tense mode. All right, so you see I do both my calves. You hold it at the trigger point for about 30 seconds, right? And then you'll rotate, find any other spots. Whatever you do to one side, you definitely do to the other. Okay, and so after my legs, I do the other sides of my quads and legs too, but also right here you see me doing my lat muscles, which I find very, very weak. So that's a pretty brief summary of my foam rolling, right? After we do foam rolling of the body parts, then we do what you see here is with abs, right? And whether that ab is a weed whacker or what I'm doing here is yoga on a stability ball, it's very, very crucial to engage that core. So I make sure to do a form of ab exercises after my foam roller. Okay, once we move from that, we'll do step ups. Step up is crucial, just the ability to step up. And you can see me firing my leg up, right? I'm not 100% balanced, but I'll fire my leg up, work my hands, and this is gonna work on glutes, hamstrings, quads, and the whole ability of the muscles to step up. It's very, very crucial. And as you can see here, I'm sweating already, only showing you guys a portion of what I do. This usually takes around 10, 15, 20 minutes depending on what day it is it post-workout or anything like that. Okay, so clearly I'm talking here, but I think I'm just talking shit about how good the workout is, which I can do that on a voiceover, right? And then I'm saying now I'm going to cardio, and I'll let you guys hear from here on out. So I made it. This is the final thing of the warm-up, and as you can see, every part of my body is drenched in sweat. And so if you haven't been doing a warm-up, you definitely got to start. No matter what your goal is, build muscle, burn fat, both, you got to be warmed up so that you run face first into your workout. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. More to come. Like, comment, subscribe, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. All right, first thing you do in back is blueberries. Blueberries to the face. Blueberries are low glycemic, meaning they're not going to cause a massive insulin spike, right? Not a bunch of sugar in them. And let's turn this a little bit. And today, because I'm mostly recovering, I am looking for as little food as possible. That's why you see no shakes today. That bowl of food was a smaller bowl of food. Just because we're not putting out as much energy, I don't need as much energy. And it will allow my body to recover more effectively, I believe, when we're resting overall. I did a little bit of workout, right? A little bit of cardio, some foam rolling, just recovery type things. 2 meals and some blueberries. And then in between those 2 meals, there's a lot of fasting going on, right? Allow my body to digest, repair, recover, and do what it needs to do. Because it's not thinking or worrying about digestion and digesting all these foods, it can focus primarily on like recovery and repairing the muscle tissue and metabolizing things the way it needs to be. So that's what today is. A couple blueberries, another salad today, about an hour, and that is it. So stay tuned. I will show you the salad. Yo, what's up? Just came back from the gym. I think I've already been back, actually. I think I've seen you guys already. I was eating blueberries. But I got my salad right here. More of the same thing. So regardless of what you're eating the same thing consistently on a weekly basis, right? Because you can switch it up throughout the days, but keeping it consistent on a weekly basis is going to make your life easier, right? If you think about it, you probably already eat the same thing most of the time. And no matter what level of health you may deem that to be, it's majority the same thing, right? We go to our favorite spots. I had to clean the screen. All right, we go to our favorite spots most of the time. And so that is what's important. If you stay consistent and just give your body the nutrients it needs on a daily basis, and it will reward you. Your body composition, your overall health will just be amazing, right? It just will be. And so I got the arugula at the bottom, some avocado oil, red onions, green beans, walnuts, raisins. I got some lentils this time, a little bit of broccoli, and then some red quinoa. If you want some more, like my granddaddy said, go get some more. And that's the power of eating at home, cooking at home. So that's my little tidbit for this particular meal time, camera time. I'm gonna go finish some content making for you guys, and then we get into it. It was a great day today. I'm feeling amazing. Tomorrow we're getting after it heavy, off the jump, because we're in phase 2, right? And we're not gonna PR or max out, but we're lifting heavy than we were in phase 1 for the day 1. So stay tuned for that, and I'll show you everything. And then if we do anything else tonight, I'll let you know, but I don't think so. Just gonna finish drinking some water. It's 4:46 p.m. Ton of content till the end of the day. And if I don't come back, then I appreciate you guys for watching me, for rocking with me through the series. I know some of you have been here longer, right? From the very, very beginning. And I appreciate you too. Make sure to ask questions, comments, concerns. I'm answering as many questions as I get, like through my DMs and all the stuff I can remember, some of the common questions. But if you guys got new questions and want some Q&As, live Q&As, let me know. I'm just gonna pump out as much value-driven content as possible so that, you know, give you guys some value. So, like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!